Shrimp farming is a rapidly growing industry. It involves raising shrimp commercially in controlled environments. This practice provides a consistent and sustainable source of shrimp for consumption. The demand for shrimp is high globally, making shrimp farming a potentially profitable venture. Shrimp farming offers several advantages over traditional fishing. It allows for controlled production. Farmers can manage water quality and feeding schedules, leading to higher yields and better quality shrimp. Additionally, shrimp farming can be done year-round, ensuring a steady supply regardless of weather or fishing seasons. The global shrimp market is substantial, generating billions of dollars annually. This presents a significant economic opportunity for individuals and communities involved in shrimp farming. The industry provides employment and contributes to food security. Starting a shrimp farm requires careful planning and execution. Factors like location, setup, and management practices are crucial for success. Let's explore the essential steps involved in establishing a profitable shrimp farming business. There are two primary types of shrimp farming: extensive and intensive. Each method has advantages and drawbacks. Understanding these differences is essential for choosing the right approach for your farm. Is a traditional method. It involves using large ponds with low stocking densities, meaning fewer shrimp are raised per unit of water. Extensive systems rely heavily on natural food sources. They require less investment in infrastructure and technology. However, yields are typically lower compared to intensive systems. On the other hand, utilizes smaller, more controlled ponds with high stocking densities. Farmers provide supplemental feed and manage water parameters carefully. This method demands a higher initial investment. It requires specialized equipment for aeration and water treatment. The choice between extensive and intensive farming depends on factors like available land, capital, and experience. Extensive farming suits areas with ample land and lower budgets. Intensive farming is more suitable for limited land availability and higher investment capacity. Location plays a crucial role in the success of any shrimp farm. The environment in which shrimp are raised can make or break the entire operation. Selecting the right site can significantly impact production, water quality, and overall profitability. A well-chosen location ensures optimal growth conditions and minimizes risks. Several factors need careful consideration when choosing a location. These factors include water quality, soil type, and climate conditions, all of which is paramount. Shrimp farms require a consistent and reliable source of clean, saline water. Without this, the health and growth of the shrimp can be severely compromised. Proximity to a coast, estuary, or underground saltwater reserves is ideal. These sources provide the necessary salinity levels and are often more sustainable. The water source should be free from pollutants and contaminants that could harm the shrimp. Regular testing and monitoring of water quality are essential to maintain a healthy environment. Are equally important. Shrimp thrive in warm tropical and subtropical climates. These climates provide the stable temperatures needed for optimal shrimp growth and reproduction. The ideal water temperature for shrimp growth is between 25 to 32 degrees Celsius or 77 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintaining this temperature range is crucial for the shrimp's metabolic processes. Areas with extreme temperature fluctuations or prolonged cold spells are not suitable for shrimp farming. Such conditions can stress the shrimp and lead to poor growth or even mortality. Is another crucial consideration. Clayey soils are preferred for shrimp ponds as they retain water better than sandy soils. Good soil quality helps in maintaining the pond structure and water levels. The soil should have a suitable pH level and be free from harmful substances that could affect water quality or shrimp health. Regular soil testing can help in identifying and mitigating potential issues. Conducting a thorough site analysis is essential. Factors like water salinity, temperature, pH, and soil composition should be tested. This comprehensive analysis ensures that the chosen site meets all the necessary criteria for successful shrimp farming. Local regulations and permits for aquaculture should also be investigated. Compliance with legal requirements is crucial to avoid any operational disruptions and to ensure sustainable farming practices. Once you've secured a suitable location, the next step is setting up your shrimp farm. This involves a series of well-planned steps to ensure the health and productivity of your shrimp. This involves several key steps, including pond construction, water quality management, aeration, and stocking the shrimp. Each of these steps is crucial and requires careful attention to detail. Pond construction is the foundation of your shrimp farm. It is essential to design and build ponds that are suitable for the type of shrimp you plan to farm. Ponds can be earthen or lined. Each type has its own advantages and considerations. Earthen ponds are less expensive but require careful maintenance to prevent leakage. Regular inspections and repairs are necessary to maintain their integrity. Lined ponds using materials like HDPE or concrete offer better water retention and durability. These ponds are more costly but can save money in the long run due to reduced maintenance needs. The size and depth of the ponds depend on the chosen farming method and production goals. Proper design ensures optimal conditions for shrimp growth. Water quality management is critical for shrimp health and growth. Poor water quality can lead to diseases and reduced growth rates. Parameters like temperature, salinity, dissolved oxygen, and pH should be monitored regularly. Consistent monitoring helps in maintaining a stable environment for the shrimp. Water exchange, filtration systems, and the use of probiotics can help maintain optimal water quality. These practices help in reducing harmful substances and promoting beneficial bacteria. Aeration is crucial for providing sufficient oxygen to the shrimp. Without adequate oxygen, shrimp can become stressed and more susceptible to diseases. Aerators like paddle wheels or air diffusers help maintain dissolved oxygen levels, especially in intensive farming systems with high stocking densities. These systems ensure that oxygen is evenly distributed throughout the pond. Proper aeration promotes shrimp growth and reduces the risk of diseases. It also helps in maintaining a healthy environment by preventing the buildup of harmful gases. Stocking the shrimp is the final step in the setup process. This step must be done carefully to ensure the shrimp adapt well to their new environment. Selecting healthy shrimp post-larvae from a reputable hatchery is essential. Healthy post-larvae are more likely to grow quickly and resist diseases. The stocking density depends on the pond size, farming method, and the farmer's experience. Overcrowding can lead to stress and increased disease risk. Acclimating the shrimp to the pond environment gradually is crucial to minimize stress and mortality. This process involves slowly adjusting the shrimp to the pond's water conditions. Setting up a shrimp farm requires careful planning and attention to detail. Every aspect, from pond construction to water quality management, must be meticulously planned. Adhering to best practices and seeking guidance from experienced professionals can contribute to a successful and productive farm. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to thriving in shrimp farming. Feeding and health management are crucial aspects of successful shrimp farming. Without proper attention to these areas, shrimp farmers can face significant challenges that can impact their yield and profitability. Providing a balanced diet and maintaining optimal water quality are essential for promoting shrimp growth and preventing diseases. A well-fed shrimp is more resilient and can better withstand environmental stresses. Shrimp are omnivorous, meaning they require a diet consisting of both plant and animal matter. This diverse diet helps them grow faster and stay healthier. Commercial shrimp feeds are formulated to meet their nutritional needs. These feeds are scientifically designed to provide the right balance of proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. The type and amount of feed vary depending on the shrimp's life stage and the farming method. Juvenile shrimp require different nutrients compared to adult shrimp, and the feeding strategy must adapt accordingly. Feeding schedules and quantities should be adjusted based on factors like water temperature, shrimp size, and feeding response. Overfeeding can lead to water quality issues, while underfeeding can stunt shrimp growth. Regular monitoring of water quality parameters is crucial for maintaining a healthy pond environment. Parameters such as pH, temperature, and dissolved oxygen levels must be kept within optimal ranges. Fluctuations in temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen, and ammonia levels can stress shrimp and make them susceptible to diseases. Consistent monitoring helps in early detection of any adverse changes. Regular water testing and prompt adjustments help prevent disease outbreaks and ensure optimal shrimp health. This proactive approach can save farmers from significant losses. Biosecurity measures are essential for preventing the introduction and spread of diseases. These measures include strict hygiene practices and controlled access to the farm. This includes disinfecting equipment, controlling access to the farm, and quarantining new shrimp before introducing them to the main ponds. Quarantine helps in identifying and treating any potential diseases before they spread. Disease outbreaks can be devastating to shrimp farms. They can wipe out entire stocks and lead to significant financial losses. Early detection and treatment are crucial for minimizing losses. Regular health checks and prompt medical intervention can make a big difference. Farmers should be familiar with common shrimp diseases and their symptoms. Recognizing early signs of illness can lead to quicker and more effective treatments. Consulting a qualified veterinarian or aquaculture specialist is recommended for diagnosis and treatment options. Expert advice can help in managing complex health issues. By prioritizing feeding and health management, shrimp farmers can ensure the well-being of their stock and maximize their production potential. A healthy shrimp farm is a productive and profitable one.